Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And guys, in this course, this is fifth video, and we are going to understand how to install bits and remote differential compression for Windows Server SCCM. So guys, all these are the prerequisites for this setup. Okay, if you miss anything, it will not work properly. So before going to install SCCM, you should install all the prerequisites. So this is fifth. In this I'm going to show you how to install bits and all. So guys, before installing, first you should understand what is bits basically. So bits is nothing but it is a background intelligent transfer service. Very important, is a component of Microsoft Windows XP and later versions, okay, and of the operating system, which facilitates synchronization, prioritized and throttled transfer of files between machine using idle network bandwidth. So the concept of this is very simple. If your network has some free bandwidth, at that time only it will do the synchronization and all whatever communication it does between server and client computer. So it will not use the utilized bandwidth of your network. It will identify, yes, some bandwidth is available, and that time it will communicate with the server and your client computer. So it will not put any kind of load on your network. This is the simple thing about bits, and it is very important when it comes to WSOS and client synchronization, like server and client communication. Similarly, it got a little bit out of box. And the second one is remote differential compression. RDC is a client server synchronization algorithm that allows this content of two files to be synchronized by communicating only the differences between them. Okay, so it will not communicate entire part of those files, only what is the difference between both the files, that will be communicating. That is the basic function of RDC, and installation is also very simple. So these are the two server I'm using in this video. One is Active Directory, second one is SCCM server. So all the installation whatever I have done till now, like 4 videos I have installed on this server only, because we will be going to install SCCM on this server, and there will be couple of client machine. So again, let me introduce to my Active Directory and this thing. So I have one Active Directory installed here, and I need to log in. This is activedirectoryindia.com, my domain name. As you can see here, Active Directory domain service is installed here, DNS, and IP address 254 and server 2019 standard evaluation version. Next one is SCCM, where we are going to install all the prerequisites so far. And here you can see I deployed IIS and WSOS, and apart from this nothing. So we have to install this feature here. So go to Active Directory, manage role and features, and click next here. Select server where you want to install. So we have only one, and click next in feature here. So as you can see here, this background intelligent transfer service I selected, and second one is also here, that is a remote differential compression. We have to select these two, and check mark this restart option. If required, server should restart to function it properly, and give install, and it will take some time to get installed. And this is what very simple thing you have to install before installing SCCM. These are the prerequisites, very important, because what I'm saying, we have one server and we will be updating this client machine through this server only. So there should be proper communication, and that will be done if all the prerequisites are installed properly, and communication between server and client machine. So it is almost done. So guys, in this nothing fancy, nothing a big configuration, is just selection of roles and installation of it. That's it. And in next video I'll be talking about the next part of this setup, this infra what I'm developing here. So till then, follow the videos step by step, video by video, and develop your own infra, and I'm sure you will be able to understand whatever I'm going to share with you guys. So till then, bye bye, and I hope you know what you have to do. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit this bell icon on your YouTube channel, and I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.